Are you curious what comes with the PDM32? Check it out. When we open up the box for the PDM32, we see all the items that it comes with. First, it comes with the download cable. Second, GPS 09 module to give you the most data from the track. The Sherlock connector that goes into the Sherlock connector port that provides all the power that the PDM will put out. It comes with a small expansion harness that allows you to plug in the GPS or to wire in for a data hub or other AiM slave devices. We get the black AMP connector, the gray AMP connector, the PDM32 itself, and the display connector.